क्लास 8 कंप्यूटर चैप्टर नंबर 11 क्वेश्चन आंसर। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है राइट इन शॉर्ट द हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंटरनेट। इसका आंसर है द यूएस डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ डिफेंस लेड द फाउंडेशन ऑफ द इंटरनेट रफली 30 years ago with a network called ARPANET. But the general public did not use the internet much until after the development of the World Wide Web in the early 1990s. In 1957, the US government formed the Advanced Research Projects Agency ARPA, a segment of the Department of Defense charged with ensuring US leadership in science and technology with military application. In 1969, ARPA established ARPANET, the forerunner of the internet. ARPANET served only computer professional engineers and scientists who knew their way around its complex working. Now the next question is, what is World Wide Web? The World Wide Web came into being in 1991 thanks to developer the Berners-Lee and the other at the European Laboratory of Particle Physics. Berners-Lee now directs the World Wide Web Consortium W3C, a group of industry and university representatives that oversees the standard of web technology. Now the next question is, name the first commercial online service provider. So Delphi is the first online service commercial online service provider is Delphi. Now the question number D is, define the following terms. First have web browser. A web browser contains the basic software you need in order to find, retrieve, view and send information over the internet. This included software that lets you send and receive email messages worldwide nearly instantaneously and so other. Now the second is web page. Web page is an important part of online world. If a web page is never linked to any other page, search engines better can't find it. Website. Relatively a small subset of entire www is called a website. Home page. The beginning page of any site. URL. Every server on the internet has an IP number, a unique number consisting of 4 parts separated dots. The IP number is the server's address, as you can see. However, if a header or people know to remember numbers than to remember word combinations, so address are given word-based address called URLs. The URL are the IP number are one and the same. Next question is, name any two most popular web browser. Chrome, UC browser. Now the next question is, write the function of the following tools on the Microsoft Internet Explorer toolbar. Back lets you return to the pages that you have viewed, beginning with the most recent. Right click the back button and select from a list of recently visited sites. Refresh updates any web pages stored in your disk cache with the latest content. When you return to a page that you have visited, your browser displays the file stored in cache rather than the current page on the World Wide Web. Home returns you to your home page. You can designate any web page as your home page. Write any 5 top level domain. .com, .org, .net, .edu, .edu, .gov, .mil, etc. etc. Next question is, what is search engine? Name some popular search engines. A search engine is a web-based tool that enables users to locate information on World Wide Web. Some popular search engines are Google and Yahoo. Next question is, what are spiders? Spiders are robot programs which build search engine. Now the next question is, write the full form of the following abbreviation. ARPANET, Advanced Research Projects Agency Net. www, World Wide Web. URL, Uniform Resource Locator. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. What are the things we must be cautious about while making work on internet? Accuracy, security, copyright, viruses, worms, etc. What is a virus? How it is harmful to our computer system? Virus, these usually destructive computer program hide inside of innocent looking programs, web pages and email attachment. When triggered often by the date and time on the computer's internal clock and calendar, it executes a nonsense or damaging function such as displaying a message on your screen, corrupting your files or reforming your hard disk. Now fill in the blanks. In 1969, ARPA established ARPANET, the founder of Internet. The World Wide Web comes into begins in 1991. For many internet users, email has practically replaced the postal service. To view files on the web, you need web browser software. History shows a list of websites you have visited. Next is TrueFall. Stop half the process of downloading a web page. True. IP number, a unique number consists of 5-star. False. .com is used of non-profit organization. False. We can believe everything on the internet. False. We should always give credit to the author of any information found on the internet. True. Now match the following. www. Tim Berners-Lee. Hypertext instant cross. Referencing URL, the internet address .com, government organization, WOM district computer program. So thanks for watching.